Leanne and Jeff, Realty One Group, with another episode of Inspirada TV.
Yes, we are out in the Lennar Townhomes, Veneta. They completed these maybe about a year ago, but before we even started, wanted to kind of point out where we are. And this location's nice because we're right off of Via Monet, but going in right here, hold on, going in, whoa, here is going to be the Sprouts. There's a new little medical center over there. McDonald's just opened, but you know you like to eat it. You just can't say that you do. But anyhow, so this is the Highview Tri-Point Builds, and then adjacent to that is the Toll Brothers.
We're being watched.
Oh, yeah, we're being watched.
Wow, they're really skinny.
They are. Must be a model. So these are, we've only filmed maybe one or two of these, but I've been a fan of these units. And what's the number?
We're looking for $32.96.
Ta-da! Here we are.
And here we are already.
So I like this courtyard, which is quite cool.
Yeah. Oh, that's really nice.
It is nice, and it feels amazing out today. And the other cool thing is you're going to have a balcony up here. So let us just get the lockbox open. All right, let's step inside. So what's the square footage on this?
This is 1814.
Took a little trip.
I knew you were going to say something. I was waiting.
1814 square feet, and the price?
The price is $485, and it was built in 2024.
Yeah, so they just,
like
I was
new.
saying, they just completed these. Seems like they finished it up over the last 18 months. What are the HOAs in here?
$172 a month.
It's not bad.
That's not bad at all. For a place that you don't have to take care of anything on the outside.
Right.
You don't have to worry about that roof.
42-inch uppers, shaker cabinets, dark.
Mm-hmm.
Really pretty.
Nice island.
Yeah,
Awesome
I think
space.
the other one that we filmed was really nice layout had a bedroom down. But I don't think this one has it, but large half bath.
Cool.
So 2-car garage. So water softener. Wow, oversized. So tankless water heater. Which is really nice. For plenty of storage for your garbage cans where the Tri-Point has a little nook. This is really spacious.
You want to see something spacious? Check this out.
Oh, wow. Okay. So they must be
Pantry.
kind of using this for the pantry kind of thing. Ow. I just hit my head. Ow. Hit my elbow.
You got it coming and going there.
Okay. Yeah, because there's no pantry here.
Yeah, it's here. Yeah.
But it would, if you had this as your dining area, another bank of cabinets there would be kind of cool too.
You could do that. I would be cool with just having the pantry right there.
Well, you're shorter than me.
Whoa. That is true. I will concede to that. I'm shorter than most people.
So as always, please like and subscribe to our channel. Leanne and I are out here filming these with the goal of an Inspirada TV episode every day for you. And our channel has hundreds of videos.
This really is like a brand new house.
It is. Washer and dryer stay. I like these. I like these 5-panel doors.
Yeah, super nice.
So I do like that this bedroom has this balcony.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, this is off the back. So there's another balcony off the front.
There is another one. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, yeah, because this is where you pull in. So that's awesome.
Whew. That sound's going to make me lose my mind. Lose my mind.
Up in here.
Ooh, that's what 30 years of marriage looks like.
Yeah.
So bedroom number 2. These are good size.
They're very good size, actually. This feels a lot bigger than 1,800
It does.
square foot.
So single sink, long vanity though.
Yeah.
Deep tub. This is, I feel this is really like the in-between of the KB builds and the Tri-Point.
Yeah.
Better finishes, not quite
High
Tri-Point.
ceilings, all of that. Yeah.
So I love that that one has its own balcony, and then the primary is going to have its own.
Wow.
Maybe we'll drop in that angel sound as we open the door.
Oh, this is kind of cool.
And
Because you have space
It is so
with
tucked
lighting
in.
and
Yeah.
everything. And it's wired. You could put a fan out here. Yeah, you could totally have airplane.
Yeah, Henderson Municipal Airport, not too far from here.
Yeah, I mean, you could have a little eating thing. You could have your coffee out here. This would be awesome.
Yeah, a little
I
couch
really
set,
like
a little.
it. Sure.
This really makes it for me.
Yeah.
The space.
Yeah, this space is amazing.
Because we didn't even see it. We didn't realize how cool it was, like you said. and this is where we came in at the video. So right there is Vio Monet. I really like this floor plan.
Yeah, this is a great floor plan. I like it a lot. Did you see how big this closet is? Really big. Perfect new.
Good size. So dual sinks,
I like this tile in here.
3/4 shower, separate water closet. Yeah. And if you're a first-time home buyer, Leanne and I did just finish a book that's available on Amazon, but if you go to roadmap.vegas, we'll send you one for free, and it walks you through the entire process of buying your first home.
Yeah.
So, as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group Homes and Inspirada.com, where our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. We live out here. If you'd like to see this one, it would be super convenient for us to show it. But we'll get dressed. Because I was going to say, it's so close we'd come in our pajamas. All right. Thanks for watching.